just chatting. All right, welcome in everybody. This is my first tutorial video on this account. I've done other things like when I fixed my garage and I couldn't find a video. I made one, so I did that on my personal account, but for Made Fresh Dailies. All right, so for Made Fresh Dailies, this is my first tutorial video, I guess. I've wanted to make others, so I guess for about a week now, I've had issues with TwitchSpeaker not connecting to Twitch, and I just thought it was just buggy because for the last year, I think I've used it about 8 months. I've been streaming for about a year. There hasn't been an update, right? So that wasn't where my mind was at. But I went and checked the website, and there's an update. There's a new version. So for some of you, that might fix your issue, knowing that. But there isn't a video on how to update what you have. So let's say you have TwitchSpeaker already set up, and you have all your settings and everything, and you don't want to lose those settings. I'll show you how. I'm not like a professional. I just guessed, based on how we update StreamerBot. So here we go. StreamerBot. All right, so there is version 0.0.49. So you download this. And then of course you unpack it, right? You can unpack it in Windows. I'm sure all of you guys know that, but just in case, there's the compress folder tools and then extract all. And then we'll just call this TwitchSpeaker. You can call this anything, just so you know it's the new version. You could even leave it as is, because 0.49 versus 0.48, right? So I'll just call this YT for the YouTube video, and then we'll extract. All right, so here is the new TwitchSpeaker, right? So if you wanted to, you could just use this. You could just use this if you wanted to, right? You can go ahead and use it. Okay. So it's going to run, right? And then you go through and connect it to your account. It's not going to have anything. It's not going to see anything though. You're not going to have any of your settings. I mean, you'll have like these generic things, right? And it looks like the maker is trying to connect, build it so that we only need one app, right? TwitchSpeaker and StreamerBot. It appears that they're moving in that direction. I definitely could be wrong, but go ahead and click login, authorize your account on Twitch, and then you should be good. And then you'll have to reset everything up. But if you want to use your settings, your current settings, I used this yesterday. I used this one time on my stream, and I have everything set up, so it worked for me. I don't know if there's any any issues that I can't see right now. So my voices, my commands are here, you know, the test ones, channel rewards are here. So it was all set up for me. So it worked for me. I hope there aren't any issues. So what I did was I went to yesterday I put the date on it to signify that that's the date, right? Just to indicate that it's a new folder, because I had way too many TwitchSpeaker folders in here. So let me check this one. Okay, that's the one I already used. So you're gonna have very minimal application extensions in the 0.48 folder. I just have so many things in my downloads folder. Don't hate me. I might have removed the older version. I think we opened this already. I should have prepared this. I'm probably just going to cut it. Okay. All right, so here we go. I'm just going to make a copy of this for the YouTube. We're going to copy it. We're going to go back here. I guess this is why most people use their desktop for these videos, so that you don't have to mess with the files. So we're going to just call this 48YT. You guys can call it whatever, but I like to make copies of my working folders, because if I mess something up, I can always go back to the original. I know that there's the backup folder, which is good. So that's, yeah, there's not much to worry about, but it's just easier that way, right? Okay, so we have 48 YouTube, and then we have TwitchSpeaker YouTube, right? All right, so this is the new download. The download I just did, right? So what I did was just copy. I'm trying to think. Yeah, I just copied everything into here. And there's just 7 files that it needs to replace. Everything else is new. We should probably move over the updates folder. So we have backup, data, logs, and updates. Okay, so this is the old folder, the old version folder, 48.48, with the new version files. It's kind of a mix of the old version and the new version files. Okay, so we have all the data from the old version, but you'll see, so when we open this TwitchSpeaker, and it's kind of cool that we can have multiple instances of the TwitchSpeaker and StreamerBot. So this is a new authorization that you'll see. So authorize. So now we have TwitchSpeaker. Okay, so we need to connect it to Twitch. So settings, account, login. You know, this is Made Fresh Dailies. If you have multiple accounts, make sure that you're connecting to your primary broadcaster account. You know, like if you have a bot and a broadcaster, make sure you connect to your broadcaster account. Authorize, and then it's connected. So here we go. For me yesterday, it just kept doing this, the pub sub. It kept trying to connect and it kept failing. So, but I mean, that's not too important. It can see my subs right now. So I think that's what it's looking for. I'm not too sure. But if you see right here, I'll just do that. So say hello.
Hello.
Cool. So it's working. So that's how you can update version 0.48 to version 0.49. And I'm sure I missed something. I apologize for the low quality of this video, but I just want to get wanted to get something out there because I was struggling a lot. So so some things that you might be experiencing currently are you know, your Twitch speaker isn't connecting. It looks like it's going to connect and then it fails to connect. While you're streaming, you hear the Windows beep noise. So that's yesterday. That's what threw me into this. I guess this desperation to figure out how to get this to work. So we got it. We got it. Oh, my camera was covering. Hopefully you guys saw most of it. I guess I'll put it up and see if you guys have any complaints or suggestions. I welcome your suggestions and critiques. That's the only way we can get better, right? So also, if you know of a video that's better than mine that explains this better, feel free to link it. If you've made a video or whatever, feel free to link it. I'm only doing this to help you guys. So I hope it helps. And, you know, if there's something else more helpful, I definitely want people to see that as well. Because I searched and searched and could not find a video that worked. So thank you. Have a wonderful day. And if you'd like, you're more than welcome to check me out on Twitch. It's Made Fresh Dailies. Like daily, but multiple. Like every day. Because we can be made fresh every day. We can fail forward. We can mess up. And then learn from our mistakes. Just like this YouTube video, right? I was hesitant because I'm not that good at making YouTube videos, but I did it anyways, and hopefully it helps at least one person. So yeah, come and say hi. We got an awesome community. We got so many awesome people in the community. So love to see you. And we will talk to you soon.